thought it would be fun to make a little Easter vlog to remember our time spending a holiday in the camper, because we love the camper holiday around here. So we're starting today with Easter baskets. So we do not have our Easter baskets from home in the camper. And so I found these ones at Target and the kids are decorating them. Okay, so how does this work?
We got these sheets of stickers,
Mm-hmm.
and we are sticking them on our baskets.
Making it a little personalized, right? Yeah. Ben working over here. Mom's working over here. Oh, looking good. Okay.
Hello there.
In the camper, we've developed a new holiday tradition, right?
Yes.
Okay, what is it, Ev?
Bake a cake.
Ev bakes a holiday cake. Okay, so what are you making today for Easter?
An Easter cake.
Okay, what do you have? Oh, funfetti.
Yeah.
Got some Easter sprinkles, right?
Yeah.
In the past, you did kind of like, nice. In the past, you did like writing on it and stuff.
Yes.
But today, it's just,
Sprinkles.
okay, let's do it. You got it, you got it. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
Good, you got shell or you got it out? Good job.
Thou fount of every blessing, tune my heart to sing thy grace. Streams of mercy, never ceasing, call for songs of
You have 4 already? Let me see.
Alright, I'll help.
Yellow.
Okay, Ben's done.
How was
Kneel
that? Yes.
on the couch. Kneel on the couch.
Told him I didn't help.
Yeah.
Not my egg.
No reward for you. 4? Okay. Ah! She's good. Wow.
We're done.
Success.
Is not like the other.
I don't know what that means.
You're dressed very nicely, and I'm
Sort
in.
of. I'm halfway there. Okay, we opened some Easter baskets, found some Easter eggs. Now we're having some Easter breakfast food. And then we're in various states of getting ready for church. Right?
Ranging
eat.
from 0.
I'm ready.
0 to 100 on the boys.
Boys are 100% ready for church.
Yeah, Hey, how's the Easter glider?
Very good. Watch
Okay,
it.
yeah, show me. Whoa!
It can also do this. This is okay.
Good call.
Now, this is one that I like.
That was cool.
Sometimes sometimes it just turns. That was better call.
Wow. Okay. We're ready for church. We've gotten ourselves together as well as we can in camper life. Our best Easter look. Okay. Put that in the camper and take off your sweatshirt. Okay. Put it in the camper and take off your sweatshirt. We gotta go. Okay. We're gonna try to set ourselves up for an Easter photo here. Okay, the foam glider planes seem to be a success. Tim should have gotten one too. I meant to kind of record the pulling into church part, and I didn't. We went to the smallest church in Virginia, I think. What do you think of?
I think that's probably true.
Smallest church in
Not a
Virginia.
stretch.
Not a stretch. Now we're back. Boys are playing glider plane outside. I'm finishing a vlog because it's Sunday. We've got some eggs boiling to make some hard-boiled decorated Easter eggs, because the beauty of living in the camper is we used to have to do those things or just not have to, but we did them like ahead of time, and now we get to kind of spend Easter doing some of these fun things because why not? So we're gonna do some hard-boiled eggs, and I think Evelyn's going to decorate her cake soon, right?
Yes.
All right, and that's our Easter Sunday, how it's going. Okay, we finished our eggs. They're beautiful.
Okay.
Evelyn's getting ready to frost her Easter cake.
The finished product.
Ooh, looks good. Gonna be yummy. Yeah, I'm here at the laundry room. Easter Sunday. Not usually involved doing laundry, but tomorrow is drive day, moving day. So we're taking advantage of the laundry room here and getting all the clothes clean before we leave tomorrow. Meanwhile, I've got playing on the playground here while I do the laundry, so that's nice.
To the unknown, hear the by thy helpline come, and I hope by thy good pleasure safely to.
Hey, we finished making our Easter dinner. Tim made us ham, asparagus, cheesy potatoes. Looks pretty good.
I didn't make the cheesy potatoes.
I made the cheesy potatoes. Kiddo plates are looking very Eastery. Everyone hungry?
Yeah.
All right, let's eat. Everybody got Legos in their Easter basket,
Except for everyone.
except for Evelyn. The boys got Legos. So Ben is building an astronaut, and Colin and Dado are building the Mars rover, which is going medium.
Medium.
It's kind of hard.
Okay.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro,
Thank you.
cinco.
Thank you.
These are
Wow,
Rice
it's-
Krispie Treat themed or flavored Peeps.
What do you think?
Marshmallow flavor.
They're like creamier though, right?
Mm.
I
like 'em.
Tastes like marshmallow.
They're like cute. We can't see them. It's like,
Creamy. We got bunny cookies.
I like it.
Bunnies.
Okay, that's a wrap on our Easter day. I had a good Easter. Did you have a good Easter? Yeah. What do you think of Camper Easter?
It's pretty good.
Yeah. My peak was I liked that we could dye eggs on Easter. I don't know why, but like I liked it.
Oh, my peak was making my cake.
Oh yeah, it was really yummy too. It was so good. Okay, so we had a fun Easter day, and we hope you did too. See you in the next one.